like Amazon's still hiring a bunch of trashy drivers. Finally made it to the doctor. He's in action. Another one right there. And just like that, the doctor got me fixed up again. Barely see him. Just a little bug spot. Except for that bad boy. That bad boy's still there. We're gonna see if it makes it another winter. Okay, I'm gonna try and count them for you, because we just gotta know, and you may not be able to see them. Just trust me that they're there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me make sure that I'm not missing any to this point. Oh, 6, 7. That behemoth. Oh, let's see here. And for sure 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. I don't know if you can see that one. I know there's another one here. Anyway, so that one down there. 13 chip repairs. If somebody has more than that, please let me know. But shout out to Sean over there at A to Z Glass, because that guy's awesome, and he saved me a ton of money by not having to put in multiple windshields. So, and that one big one, what a doozy. Can't believe it. Still holding. One more winter. Let's get it, keep it going. Anyways, if you're ever passing through and need a repair, it's A to Z Glass in Centerfield, Utah. Check them out.